Hoje, fevereiro 26, 2012. So today, February 26, 2022. I think I said in Portuguese 2012. Well, anyway, gente, 2022. I'm arriving at the airport here and I'm gonna meet my friend Alain and my two adopted kids, right? His kids. Cheguei no aeroporto aqui, vou encontrar meu amigo Alain e as crianças deles. We are going to Saint Croix and we're gonna start our project. Well, we started before, right? But now we're gonna start putting hands-on. We're gonna start building. Eu vou chegar agora em Saint Croix, na ilha lá, e a gente vai começar a construir. O projeto já começou há mais tempo, com a compra do terreno e tal, but let's do it. So I am arriving. It seems that they already started the boarding process. No, but E21. Alain and the kids are supposed to be here. Unless I'm in the wrong place. I don't see Alain. Did I do anything wrong? Olha, eu não tô achando Alain. Será que eu tô no portão errado? Poxa. I don't know where Alain is. Yeah, but it's here. I was so lost. I thought like I'm in the wrong place. My God. These handsome guys here. This is like the power trio that is joining the old man here. It's picture and video.
Yes.
You do. They think we are old. No, we are smart. But old. Also old. We're gonna go. They're coming and we're gonna board. We're gonna go to Saint Croix. Agora a gente vai para Saint Croix. Eles estão aqui comigo. A gente vai fazer o embarque e vamos pra praia. And we are getting there. Estamos chegando, galera. Is actually where we bought it, right there. Beautiful. Right there. That's true. Oh. Here we go. We arrived again. Chegamos, galera. Yay! Esperar meus amigos lá. We go. A gente passa pelo screening. We do all the screening to make sure we are safe, COVID-free, and we are here. And now my buddies are arriving. Is it your first time here? Yes. Welcome to Saint Croix, my friend, mon ami. That's my beautiful son. Alain doesn't know, but actually he is my son. And now my other son, Alain, arriving. Welcome, mon ami. Now the island has the two most beautiful guys in the planet. You both.
So, Mr. Rio, comment ça va? How things going this morning?
Très bien, mon ami.
Très bien.
Pretty good. We had like a nocturnal kind of like sea exploration.
Mm-hmm. So, what are you doing?
I'm doing scrambled eggs, toasts, and sausage.
Wow. It's gonna good. Looks so good. Yep.
Hey guys, you ready?
Oh la la.
Wow. Damn, man.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Good morning,
Good.
brother. Good
Hey.
morning.
Oh,
Hey,
look at
scrambled
that.
eggs out of and
Yes.
hey, Frank, get a shot of our friend.
I don't care about your friend.
We got short.
Yeah, what the cat doing?
He's eating with us, man. Oh, hi, man.
Good morning, guys.
Hey, Grandy.
Welcome, man.
Okay, so here we are in Saint Croix. It's Sunday. The container are coming tomorrow. So today we're gonna go and buy some tools and equipment. And one of the reasons why we picked Sainte Croix is because of this. Home Depot. Yeah, so la raison pourquoi on a choisi Sainte-Croix, c'est parce qu'il y a un Home Depot. C'est pratique pour acheter les choses qu'on a besoin. C'est ça. The container is coming tomorrow. All right.
Ah, see? Brazilian trolling, man. It's a rare thing.
I'll push it.
Good job, guys. That's how it goes. So this will be used for the container to keep it off the ground. That's it.
Now I'm here listening to X Project in St. Croix. Pay attention to the solo in the background. Yeah. They like crackers. Eu vou no outro lado só em caso de dúvida. E o gato também. Cute, right?